we shall look into ozone layer depletion. So we know that there is a ozone layer in the atmosphere. You can see the Earth's atmosphere here. So the first from x-axis you take 0 to 10 kilometers, that is the troposphere, okay. And from 10 kilometers to almost 45 kilometers, you have got stratosphere, and in this stratosphere you have got the ozone layer, okay. Main concentration is there in the stratosphere. So up to 10 kilometers it is not there, but beyond 10 kilometers you will find the ozone concentration. And ozone is there from millions of years, and the units are 300 to 500 Dobson unit. Okay, so 100 Dobson unit is equal to 1 mm. Okay. And Dobson was a scientist who found this unit to measure, and we will see how this ozone layer is disturbed by CFC used in industry and refrigeration. And this leads to even 1% loss, and ozone leads to 100% skin cancer and cataract. Cataract means eye. We get pari, na, that film on the eyes. Especially elderly people who move out in sun, they get this cataract. Man can protect by using glass, but animals and birds lose their eyes. Please understand. So this was about the we will see in. So we have seen that not in the troposphere but in the stratosphere, 20-25 kilometers away from Earth, we have got this stratosphere, and we have got ozone layer there. A very nice pictorial presentation is here. The sunlight and heat is coming, and some part is absorbed and some part is radiated back. Okay, and these greenhouse gases, you can see, they are again sending back the heat to Earth. So what are the substances which are damaging? From left you will see deforestation. We are cutting trees and burning the wood. Second is CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. These are the chemicals which are used in as the refrigerants actually in air conditioning and refrigerators. And third, you have got petrol, your transport vehicle engines, and the problem with the industry when they burn the fossil fuel. So you can say ozone is made by the action of daylight on oxygen. Now you can see the sketch here. There is sun coming, and first troposphere is given, the Earth. Then second is the ozone layer in the stratosphere. So O2 plus O is O3, and ozone is O3. It forms a layer 20 to 50 kilometers over the surface of the Earth. This action takes place naturally within the atmosphere. However, it is extremely slow. Though it happens naturally, it doesn't happen, it is not a quick reaction, slow reaction. Ozone gas is extremely toxic with a powerful odor. It has got a strong smell, as well as it is very toxic. So ozone gas at Earth level is a pollutant. But we are talking of ozone gas at above 20 kilometers from the Earth's surface. It is a type of oxygen that has 3 particles in every atom. It is taken into consideration as a pollutant at ground level and constitutes a health risk by inflicting respiratory elements like allergies and bronchitis. Okay, bronchitis means like people get asthma, problem with breathing actually. It also causes harm to vegetation, that is trees and plants, and leads to deterioration of certain materials like plastic and rubber. You might have seen actually that if you keep plastic things, your motorcycle, some components, when the motorcycle and cars are parked in the sunlight, there is a damage to the plastic and rubber components. It is because of this ozone. Ozone within the upper environment is important to all existence because it protects the earth from the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. See, sunlight is giving light, visible light, little infrared light, as well as ultraviolet light, A, UV, B, UV, C rays. These UV rays are very damaging. The ozone layer with the upper atmosphere absorbs the sun's ultraviolet radiation, preventing it from reaching to the Earth's surface. So this ozone layer, which is there 20-25 kilometers above the Earth's surface, that acts like a filter, and that does not allow the harmful solar UV rays to come to the Earth. This layer within the atmosphere protects life on Earth from the harmful UV radiation from the sun. Okay, and this chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs which are used in refrigerants and aerosol sprays like you got now deo sprays. They are used as spray propellant. Means deodorant is there, but the deodorant has come from the can and come to your clothes na, or your body. So that spray that is called as propellant. So it is this chemicals are used as propellants, and they expose a threat to the ozonosphere. That is known as ozonosphere. The destruction of ozone layer is seen to cause increased cases of skin, mostly cancers and cataracts. So eyes, when people who work in outside mostly, they get cataracts after some years. So there will be a small film on the eyes, and then the visibility reduces. And some people get skin cancers also. It also causes harm to the positive vegetation and to plankton, accordingly affecting nature's food chain and the food webs. So this is very damaging not only to man but also to plants and animal life. It is making some animals and birds blind also. This in turn causes an increase in carbon dioxide due to the decrease in vegetation. So if because of this ozone destruction in ozone layer, ozonosphere, the UV lights are damaging the food chain and food web. So this plants and all, which are the main producers, and also they are taking this carbon dioxide and converting into oxygen. So if that is affected, then definitely the carbon dioxide recycling is reduced, and hence you will find more CO2 in the atmosphere due to the decreased vegetation. But we are actually, man is using, I don't know whether you have seen in your house, if you have got water purifier like AquaGuard, this Kent and all these water purifiers, some 5,000, 10,000 and above, they are having that UV light, ultraviolet lamp, which will kill the bacteria and microorganisms in the water. Okay, so man has used this for some advantage also, and in this corona period actually, this UV lamp, ultraviolet C lamp, is considered to kill the virus. Okay, that is also there. So man is trying to make use of this ultraviolet lights for his own advantage also. Thank you.